A tripod is an essential tool for photographers, ensuring stability and precision while capturing the perfect shot. For Canon camera owners, selecting the right tripod can make a significant difference in achieving clear, sharp images. Whether you're into landscape photography, portrait sessions, or long exposure shots, the ideal tripod provides reliability, easy adjustability, and durability. From lightweight travel-friendly options to more robust and professional-grade models, the right tripod will support your Canon camera while enhancing your shooting experience. If you want to explore the best tripods that offer sturdy construction, quick setup, and versatility for different photography styles, these top 6 options will help you get the most out of your Canon gear. Number 1. Endurax Tripod for Canon Camera. The Endurax 60-inch camera tripod stand is a versatile, lightweight tripod perfect for a wide range of photography needs. With a maximum height of 60 inches and a minimum height of 17.5 inches, it offers flexibility for different shooting angles. Its 3-way pan head enables smooth 360-degree swivel, tilt, and portrait landscape orientation, while the quick release plate allows fast setup and removal of your camera. Compatible with most DSLR cameras like Canon Rebel EOS and Nikon models, it also includes a Bluetooth remote shutter for smartphones, making it perfect for hands-free shooting. Built from durable yet lightweight aluminum, the tripod is easy to carry and comes with a convenient travel bag. Ideal for photographers on the go. Number 2. Victiv Tripod for Canon Camera. The Victiv 74-inch camera tripod is a durable and versatile option for photographers and videographers. Made from lightweight aluminum, this tripod offers a maximum height of 74 inches and a minimum height of 19 inches, giving you flexibility for various shooting angles. It features a 3-way pan head for smooth 360-degree panning and tilting, along with a quick release plate for fast camera attachment and detachment. This tripod supports up to 15 pounds, making it compatible with DSLR cameras, iPhones, and even spotting scopes. Weighing 3.14 pounds, it's easy to carry with the included bag. With its sturdy build and high load capacity, this tripod is an excellent choice for both outdoor and studio photography. Number 3. COMAN Tripod for Canon Camera. The COMAN Heavy Duty Tripod is a professional, high-performance video tripod made of strong aluminum, designed for DSLR cameras, camcorders, and spotting scopes. With a maximum height of 72 inches, it offers excellent flexibility for capturing overhead or low-angle shots. The 360-degree fluid drag head provides smooth panning and tilting, essential for professional video production and stable photography. It includes a quick release plate for fast equipment changes and a mid-level spreader for added stability. Its rugged construction supports heavy gear, making it reliable for both indoor studio use and challenging outdoor environments. Whether you're filming cinematic footage or taking detailed wildlife shots, this tripod delivers performance and precision for serious creators. Number 4. CAMBOFOTO Tripod for Canon Camera. The CAMBOFOTO 74-inch professional camera tripod is designed for versatility, stability, and ease of use. Built with durable aluminum, it weighs just 3 pounds, but supports up to 13 pounds of gear, making it ideal for DSLR and SLR cameras, binoculars, and telescopes. The tripod extends up to 74 inches and folds down to 16.3 inches for easy transport. It features a 360-degree ball head for smooth pan and tilt movements and precise angle adjustments. A quick release plate ensures fast camera mounting, while the included monopod function adds extra flexibility. Its 1/4-inch screw is compatible with most devices. Packaged with a carry bag, It's perfect for travel, photography, and professional shooting setups. Number 5. JOILCAN Tripod for Canon Camera. The JOILCAN 74-inch tripod is a reliable and sturdy camera stand built for photography, video recording, and vlogging. Made from heavy-duty aluminum, it supports up to 15 pounds, making it compatible with DSLR cameras, smartphones, spotting scopes, and camcorders. Its adjustable height ranges from 19 to 74 inches, offering flexible angles for shooting. The three-way pan head allows smooth panning, tilting, and portrait or landscape orientation with ease. A quick release plate makes mounting and dismounting fast and simple. It includes a universal phone holder and a convenient carrying bag for travel. Whether you're a beginner or professional, this tripod is a solid companion for stable shots during indoor or outdoor use. Ideal for creators on the move. Number 6. MACTREM Tripod for Canon Camera. The MACTREM 75-inch camera tripod is a reliable and lightweight option for photographers and videographers on the go. Made from durable aluminum, this tripod supports various devices, including Sony, Canon, Nikon, DSLR cameras, smartphones, and iPads. It extends from 19.7 inches to a full 75 inches, offering flexible shooting angles for different situations. The three-way pan head allows 360-degree rotation, vertical tilt, and smooth adjustments, making it perfect for video and photography. It includes a phone mount and comes with a convenient carry bag for easy transport. Weighing only 2.8 pounds, it's easy to handle but sturdy enough to support up to 11 pounds of gear. Ideal for indoor shoots, travel, and outdoor adventures.